so this is how the wig comes. Came in this long bag. I don't know, I think I have a weird obsession with like certain packaging and stuff like that. I don't know what that's about, but whatever. Okay, so this is how the wig came. Let me just show y'all some details. This is a 13 by 6. Ooh. This is a 13 by 6 wig. It parts all the way back. Let me see if y'all can see that's a little bit more parted space. You just gotta get, you know, creative with it. This is a 18-inch wig. It also comes with the cap inside. I forgot what you call this. I'm gonna link it down below, but there's a name for this cap inside where you don't have to. Oh my god, it's a cap inside. Oh my god. Oh, and I'm not even gluing it. Y'all put the cap on and forgot that it was a cap already inside. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. It is okay. It is okay. So, yeah, that's what it looks like. It's already bleached. Let me see if I can put this up against my hand. Let me let it focus. Okay, already bleached. And it does have these, as they would call it, piano key straps. Can you see the details? I want to make sure I show y'all the actual details. A lot of wigs don't come with these kind of straps, and I actually really like these. They also sent an extra one, and it is adjustable. It's kind of like a bra strap kind of thing. So I like these. Ooh, am I taking it off the right way? I'm gonna break it. They could come off just like a bra strap, just like this. So, and it's super durable too, super durable. I don't know, it's something about these straps. I don't know, because we know if you got some big tits, I mean, shout out to the itty bitty titty community. Shout out to y'all too, but y'all know how important it is to have a good support system when it comes to your bra. So the fact that this is on a wig is amazing. Like, I don't know, I hate bras, and that's funny how I was just talking about it, but I'm just sitting here like, damn, that's a good idea. And I saw it before, definitely, and I wanted to invest that into my own as well, but I really like these. I also like the ones that what is that? Oh my god, I hope I'm not saying this wrong. If I'm saying this wrong, please don't come for me. I'm sorry, but is it like the Velcro straps where they like stick together? I like those too. I like those too. So yeah, they got a really nice long piece to the neck, so you don't have to worry about it coming apart or getting loose. It's also adjustable, which is another thing I really like. Can adjust it to your liking. Let's see, I don't know if I want to make it, I'm not going to make it super tight, but being that this is going to be a glueless install, I want it to be tight enough, which I got to make sure y'all don't make y'all wigs too tight, because it will give you a headache. It doesn't matter if it's a frontal or closure, whatever. If you make the band too tight, whether it's this kind of band or like a regular elastic band, you will get the worst headache, and it will leave an indent in your head, and it's super annoying. Like, I remember I had made a strap. I put a elastic band on one of my wigs I made long ago, like a couple of years ago, and I literally had to keep lifting it up and moving it back because it was leaving an indent in my forehead, and I was having the worst headache. Like, it was so annoying. So this is really good. They also do have a comb in the back, a really long, can y'all see that? Really long comb in the back, and it has adjustable straps in the back too, the traditional ones, so you can use that as well. My head is pretty, I think this is a cap size medium, so let me put this on my head real quick and I'm gonna see how it fit, and then we can go into how I need to adjust it. So as of right now, the strap is adjusted to more than majority, so we're gonna see how this fit real quick. I don't want it to mess up my makeup. That right here. And this wig is also pre-plucked too. I'm trying to see, I don't know, is this wig too small? Or is it, I think, hold on, I gotta adjust the straps in the back. I'm not sure, it's not super tight. I gotta just see if it's fitting good on my head. Let me loosen the strap in the back a little bit. All right, and let me push it forward. I mean, yeah, it's okay. I do feel like it's something not right. I don't know if it's the band or the, what is this? The band. It's kind of making, it's not fitting my head properly. Hold on, y'all. Let me get this together. Let me get this right. Yeah, so for me personally, I do have to take the combs out and fix this. I gotta go in and do a little bit more, but if you're okay, I mean, I didn't really do anything yet, but if the wig fits you perfectly and you got everything right, you could just go ahead and do it, or however you're gonna decide to do it. This is gonna be glueless, so I have to take this band out, and I'm just gonna adjust these right here. I really don't like combs in the back too much. Actually, I'm lying. For some hairstyles, I do like the comb in the back, but for certain styles, I don't like the comb in the back. It really depends. For this look, we need as much security as we can get, so we're gonna do that. Hold on, let me just take this out. I'm gonna adjust these right here, these combs right here. So we're gonna start to pluck this wig. I don't know what I want to do with it. I think I want to do some layers. I want it to be very natural. I was gonna crimp it, but I think I want to do layers. I really think I want to do some layers. So let's get to the customizing part, and then we're gonna get into installing it. Remember, y'all, this is gonna be glueless. This is a glueless install. So once again, for those who want it to be, you could want to put your adhesive and stuff, you can do that. I'm not doing this for this look, so just letting y'all know ahead of time. So let's go. Alright y'all, so I went and changed my clothes for y'all. I want to make these videos more fun to watch, so I've been trying my hardest. I tied this down. Oh my god, I feel like I have a freaking like square head. Hold on. I just wanted to get it. I'm gonna take out these indents in a few, but I just wanted it to get as flat as possible. This is 100% glueless. I could pop it right off, which I'm not going to do because I already it took a lot to get this exactly how I want it. I'm not sure. I think, alright, here's what I think the problem is. I think it needs to be like a little bit more in the face, not so much catching on the lashes, but I still want the M shape though. So I'll just make sure. And I'm looking like at the mirror behind me. I don't know why I put my mirror away, but yeah, let me just flatten that out a bit. This is a very cute style though. I don't know what about it is annoying me though. It's not the hair, it's not the outfit. I think it's my weird ass head shape. I really think that's what it is. Like, I can't possibly think it's anything but, and I gotta make sure I bump the hell out of these ends because I really want this like blowout kind of get up, you know? I don't know if y'all can see it. Some drop. Let me do this one. I want it to bump, you know? Let me get this. I actually really like this hairstyle, and I do want to try doing some short hairstyles because I know y'all about to be tired of me doing long hair, but long hair is just really my thing. Like, it's really my thing. This is why I'm always doing it, so don't mind me. But I do want to get more versatile for y'all. Cause you know what it is? I'm so used to working on long hair. I'm just feel like I need to challenge myself and like start doing things I'm not so used to doing, you know? I hope I don't look crazy because I fake kind of feel crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Lastly, I don't want to forget to mention, if you are interested in purchasing this exact wig with this exact band, which is called the piano key elastic band. Hopefully I said that right. I hope I didn't mess that up. But yeah, so if you're interested in purchasing this exact wig, first of all, let me mention that this band, this elastic band, is way better than any elastic band you're gonna get from the fabric store, Walmart, whatever. And I only say that because it's adjustable. Who doesn't want an adjustable band? And it's like being in the hair business, when you attach bands to customers' wigs, you're kind of just winging it. So being the fact that you have an elastic band that you can actually adjust, I feel like that accommodates everybody, whether if you have a very small head or a really big head. I have a small head, so I don't know, my head is funny with different wigs, to be honest. It depends, but it's good that you can have a band like this to actually adjust to your head size and won't have to worry like, damn, it's too tight or it's too loose, you know, whatever the case may be. So being that this band is sewn on by the company, it is very limited stock, but on the bright side, if it is in stock, it can be shipped out within 48 hours, so that's a really, really good thing. So after I post this video, you guys can get up to a $25 discount, but it's only valid for 1 week after I post this video. So if you see it after the 7 days, I don't know if this discount is still going to be valid, but if you purchase within these 7 days after I post this video, then you are eligible for a $25 discount. So that's amazing. Other than that, let me just show y'all a little bit before we get to the little hair show. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that little hair show I had to do. I'm trying to get more in tune with the hair shows. I gotta give y'all more of those. I see y'all like it. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.